Supply planning often focuses on inventory and capacity constraints and ensures these two elements can support the demand plan. This can be challenging with different systems and processes to determine your direction forward. Kepion provides a single platform for you to access all supply information and modify supply plans in an intuitive and guided way. In this video, we will focus on how production managers can conduct inventory target setting, capacity constraint planning, and automatically calculate associated costs within Kepion. The production distribution helps to connect the demand plan to the supply plan. As the first step, the S&OP management team decides how to allocate the demand units amongst the distribution centers. The inventory plan allows each distribution center to conduct its own inventory forecasts based on demand plan, purchase plan, and safety stock. Supply planners can use Kepion to keep supply in proper balance and minimize costs by managing inventory levels. After agreeing upon how much inventory will be needed to meet the demand needs, the next step is to determine how to purchase from suppliers effectively. The Kepion Capacity Plan provides full insights into the gaps and key resources required to meet the inventory plan. In this view, supply planners can easily identify the critical capacity shortage areas. They can adjust the allocated purchase by supplier to balance the needs, or they can reallocate the purchase distribution among suppliers. The output of the supply plan is the constrained view that can be presented during the S&OP meeting. The supply review provides a snapshot of constrained P&L and ending inventory. Planners can refer to these reports and charts to understand the business impacts at any point during the planning process. Now that we've accomplished the supply plan, we will move on to the S&OP review. This is just one of hundreds of examples on how Kepion can be modeled for a supply planning process. Check out more examples of other apps on Kepion.com. Proceed to our sales and operations plan video to see the next steps in this process.